Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting mid-process. Import your footage and drop it onto the timeline so you can act now. Once the clip is selected, scrub to the frame where the zoom should begin and open Edit to reveal transform and keyframe options. Make sure your clip length matches the effect duration. Shorter clips need finer timing. Tap the playhead at the start point because that first keyframe anchors your base scale and position. This gets you ready to animate the face smoothly without guessing. Now you'll create the zoom motion. Add a keyframe for scale and position at the start frame to lock the initial view. Then move the playhead to the point you want full zoom and raise scale to 120–200% depending on how tight you need the face. Adjust position so the face is centered. If the subject moves, add intermediate keyframes or use Capcut's face tracking to follow eyes automatically. Once done, play the clip and smooth, abrupt jumps by nudging keyframes, finish by refining motion and cleaning artifacts. Apply ease in and ease out on keyframes so the zoom ramps naturally. This avoids robotic speed changes. If the zoom reveals jitter, run stabilize or add a soft mask with feathering to hide edges. When using face tracking, check for drift and add small corrective keyframes. Once satisfied, export with settings that match your project, 1080p/30 or original frame rate, then review the full clip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.